Place nails in the prescribed nailing zones just below the adhesive strip so shingles are secured through the new shingle and the underlapping shingle. When installing new roof shingles, position nails in a straight, level line across the shingle so each nail sits squarely in the designated nailing zone just below the factory adhesive to compress the layers together. Use large head roofing nails long enough to penetrate the roof deck by at least 3/4 of an inch, so you get full holding power without overdriving and tearing the shingle. If the decking is thin, reduce nail length accordingly while still ensuring adequate penetration. Drive nails straight, not at an angle, and leave the heads flush with but not cutting into the shingle surface so the head bears against the material without splitting it. Space nails evenly across each shingle, following manufacturer guidance for spacing and count, and align vertical placement so the nail line of the higher course overlaps the lower course nail line by the shingle lap as intended. For hip, ridge, and starter shingles, adjust placement to the specific product instructions, usually concentrating nails closer to the edge for ridge pieces and centered for starters to prevent wind lift. When roofing on steep slopes or in high wind zones, increase nail count per shingle if the shingle manufacturer or local code requires it, and always check local building code for any additional fastening requirements. Common mistakes include placing nails too high above the adhesive strip, which bypasses the hold between courses and leads to blow-offs. So move the nail line down into the prescribed zone and verify placement by checking that the nail head compresses both the new shingle and the underlap shingle below. Another frequent issue is underdriven or overdriven nails that either leave heads proud or tear the shingle, so drive nails so the head sits flat against the shingle without sinking the shank. Practice on scrap material if unsure. A third problem is uneven spacing or missed nails, which creates weak spots, so use a chalk line and count nails per shingle as you go, and inspect each course before adding the next to ensure consistent coverage. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who are actively looking for work and provide a platform where contractors can connect with homeowners. We also host a discussion community where users exchange practical tips on topics like nail placement, best practices, and product recommendations, so we all learn from real-world experience.